Hi everyone! So this video I'm going to show you how I pack up my sizing kits. So the first thing I do is grab my holographic resealable bag and these little glitter cardstocks that I picked up from Michael's, and I ran out of red, so I'm just picking this really nice, color. And then I go ahead and take a pen and line it up with the bag and mark where I need to cut so the paper fits in the bag. And a lot of people use cardstock with their logo on it and stuff like that. And you can do that too. This is just what I do. So, do whatever makes you happy. And I'm just making sure it fits in the bag, because the last thing I want to do is put all the nails on here and then I find out that it don't fit. So now I'm going to grab the nail tips that the customer requested, and I use Après nail tips for all of my regular orders, but I also use the McCart brand for my wholesale orders. There's nothing wrong with either one, and the link is in the description if you guys want to pick up any for yourself. And I'm just grabbing one of each size nail tip for the order. So now I'm going to get a permanent marker and my double-sided wall mounting tape and get 2 pieces of tape that fit across the paper so I can stick the nails on. And you want to use the double-sided wall mounting tape, same as when you're doing a regular order, because presentation, you don't want your clients or your customers to get the sizing kits and the nails is all over the place, because they're going to think, oh, well, when I get my regular order, it's going to be all over the place too. So use the good tape, use the same nail tips that you're going to be using for your orders. Don't send them, if you use McCart and Après, don't send them the McCart brand tips, because the Après tips is a little bit more expensive. You need to be pricing your sizing kits to cover those charges. Off hand. Okay, so anyway, now I'm just going to put the numbers on the side, on the nail tips, so the customer knows exactly what nail tips that they are, and they don't have to, hurt their eyes trying to figure anything out. And I made a mistake. I misnumbered. So I'm going to show you guys how to fix that with, when you're using a permanent marker. All you got to do is get some acetone in your lint-free wipe and wipe it on off. And don't do it too much, because you might dissolve your nail tips. Okay, don't do that. Just real quick, easy, swipe it off, okay? No big deal, and then just redo it. Okay, now once you're done, you're going to put it in the bag. But first, please press in those nail tips so they don't go anywhere. Like I said, presentation, y'all. Make sure you stick them nail tips in there so when the customer gets them, everything is intact and it looks nice. So this customer ordered 2 sizing kits, so I'm just going to do the exact same thing that I did before, and with, different sizes. So if you notice, a couple of my nail tips look a little bit different. They're looking like they've been filed, and they have. If you watch my previous video, then you know that I file my nails, file the shine off of the nails before I do anything. And I do this because gel polish adheres better to a rough surface than a smooth, shiny surface. So it just helps prevent peeling or anything like that. And I just did a couple of them. You know, when I get bored, I start filing nails. You know, it's life, nail tech. So anyway, going back to it, just same as last time, number your nails and push them down into the double-sided tape. And yes, you guys, I do make sure there's no fingerprints on my stuff. Just because I don't wear gloves doesn't mean that there's fingerprints all over my stuff. I'm making sure that I don't leave my little greasy paw prints everywhere. And my sizing kits do come with a little thing that tells you what to do with these 2 envelopes. So I just go ahead and put all of their information in there, like the receipts, the sizing kit card, and their sizing kits. And oh yeah, and their discount coupon. I put all that in there, write the label and the order number so I don't get confused. And wham, bam, done. A sizing kit order. So I hope this video helps you guys learn how to pack up your sizing kits. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.